Imagine turning your free time into extra cash without spending a single dollar to get started. Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how to start a profitable side hustle with absolutely zero money up front. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step action plan to start making money using only the skills and resources you already have. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start, this is it. Most people think you need a fancy website, expensive tools, or a big budget to launch a side hustle. The truth? You don't need money. You need creativity, consistency, and a strategy. Stick around because I'm going to reveal 5 practical free side hustles and how to get your first paying client, all without spending a cent. Before we get tactical, we need to fix the biggest obstacle holding most people back: mindset. You might be thinking, I don't have money, so I can't start. But here's the thing. Money isn't the first resource, you are. Your skills, time, and network are worth more than you realize. Instead of asking, what can I buy to start my side hustle? Ask, what skills or knowledge can I offer right now? This shift will open up endless opportunities, and it costs $0. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, social media management, or even video editing, you can start freelancing for free. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn let you set up a profile at no cost. You don't need a portfolio, just create sample projects to show what you can do. Pro tip: start by offering your service to a friend or small business for free in exchange for a testimonial. That's how you build credibility fast. Digital products are amazing because there's no inventory, no shipping, and no cost to create. You can use free tools like Canva to design templates, planners, or ebooks, then sell them on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or even Instagram. It's 100% free to start, and once you upload a product, it can make money for you while you sleep. Want to sell t-shirts or mugs without buying stock up front? With print on demand, you create designs using free tools like Canva or Photopea, then upload them to platforms like Printify, Redbubble, or Teespring. When someone buys, the company prints and ships the product. You just collect the profit. It's zero risk because you don't pay until you make a sale. If you enjoy talking about topics you love, content creation can become a side hustle. You don't need fancy gear, just your smartphone. Start by making short-form videos on platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. As you grow, you can earn from ad revenue, brand deals, or selling your own digital products. Affiliate marketing lets you earn a commission by recommending products you already use and love. Sign up for free affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Impact, or Share a Sale. Then create content, blogs, TikToks, or even Instagram posts, sharing why you love those products. When someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid. No inventory, no customer service, and no startup cost. Here's how to land your first paying customer without spending a cent. Pick one side hustle from the list I just shared. Create a free offer to showcase your value, like a free audit, free sample, or free guide. Leverage free platforms, social media, Facebook groups, LinkedIn, or even WhatsApp. Ask for referrals. Your friends and family know people who need your service. Let them help you spread the word. Over-deliver on your first project. This builds trust and gets you repeat clients. Starting a side hustle with $0 isn't just possible, it's practical. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and use what you already have. Which of these side hustles are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and share this video with a friend who needs extra income. Your first $100, $500, or even $1,000 is just one action step away. Now go out there and make it happen.